Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is March mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius. March mid-month reading. So what are the messages for you and what's going on. Okay, Page of Cups. The messages for Sagittarius, Sagittarius, fire sign. What are the messages for Sagittarius, fire sign? Under the deck, the Emperor and Four of Cups. I think for some you are in separation with your person. Maybe you are feeling missed opportunity with your person. Four of Cups, feeling sad, feeling lonely, feeling bored. But you overcome this energy. Now you stand by your power. The Emperor, you are no more dependent on anyone. You are taking your control back, Sagittarius. This is very powerful energy. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Page of Cups, King of Pentacles and the Tower. I think there was some tower moment in recent past. Maybe for some you are in no contact situation with your person. For some you are in separation with your person. Maybe for some you are in waiting mode. That's why there is some tower moment. But someone is willing to come back. Some apology, some communication. You already received for some. You will in near future. For some you already received message from your person and King of Pentacles, you are more concentrated on your career, on your growth, especially you are creating more money. In these recent times, you focused on your abundance and self-growth. That was recent past, some communication, some apology. Then present, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and the Hermit. So, you are healing yourself from this tower moment. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening because the Hermit is here. So, then you're taking your control back totally, Ace of Wands. But someone is very attracted to you. They're coming back. It could be your past person for some your new person. It depends on your situation. So Knight of Pentacles, I think it's your past person. So they're coming back. They decided to come back because they are very attracted to you and passionate. I think you both are very passionate about each other. There is a chance for passionate new beginnings between both of you and your person want new beginnings with you. Yeah. I think this time they are very serious about you, Sagittarius. But you are healing yourself. You are concentrating on yourself. Then future, Page of Pentacles, the Moon and Three of Swords. I think there is something mysterious in this connection. Maybe there are some trust issues between you and your person. You are not trusting them completely because you are heartbroken in past. Maybe that's why you have no trust on them. You have strong emotions for them, but there is no trust what I'm getting here. Again, your person is immature. Again, some apology, communication is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be strong Pisces energy and Virgo. Or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So strong Pisces and Virgo. Here, the person could be involved in this connection. So you have trust issues. So you are healing yourself. This is a healing period for you. What I'm getting here. You are focusing on yourself. But someone is again coming back to you and some apology is coming towards you. So let's see your person current feelings and actions. Then we will get more clarity. What's going between you and your person. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. I think your person thinking about that you are very caring and giving person. So let's see their feelings towards you. Sagittarius. Your person feelings towards you. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Ten of Swords, and Ace of Cups. Maybe they're realizing You both, maybe after the separation, their love towards you is overflowing. Now they're recognizing the love for you, the love towards you. Ace of Pentacles, they really want to offer long-term commitment and they're thinking about you. They're fantasizing about you. I think Seven of Cups is not about options here. They're fantasizing about you, they're dreaming about you. And Ten of Swords, maybe your person right now in so much pain, still they want rebirth in this connection. Very few, maybe your person have options, very few, not all. Ace of Pentacles with Seven of Cups, they're fantasizing, they're dreaming about you, and they still want rebirth in this connection if you're in separation with your person. If you are not separation with your person, they want to take this relationship to next level. Because Ace of Cups under the deck. So let's see their actions towards you. Sagittarius, your person actions. Two of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. I think they're thinking about you a lot. They're taking it very slow. Right now your person may be at some crossroads. They have to make their decision because Two of Swords, Knight of Cups and Three of Wands. There is some waiting game going between you and your person. Maybe for some your person is waiting for your message or for your call. But I think they're coming back. Knight of Cups, but very slow moving energy. They're thinking about, maybe they're planning to come back. Right now they're in planning stage and still your person have to make some decision because they're at some crossroads right now. Two of Swords energy and Three of Wands. Again, waiting. There is some waiting. Yeah, they want to come back, but it will take some time. Right now your person may be at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe for some your person have options also, very few, because Two of Swords, Two of Wands. They have to make one choice. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they're missing you. And Eight of Wands, they want to communicate with you, and in near future you will get lots of communication from your person and you both will be in back and forth communication. And Nine of Swords, they're missing you for sure. And Four of Wands, they want this celebration with you, this happiness with you. They want to offer commitment, but it will take some time, but they're coming. They're taking it very slowly but surely. And for some you both could be twin flames also. Twin flames are soulmates. Ten of Cups. Knight of Cups again. Yeah, they love you. There is no doubt. They're coming back, but very slow moving energy. Again, Four of Wands. They want to offer commitment. They want to be with you forever. They're coming back. You know that, Sagittarius. And Eight of Swords. For sometimes you also stuck on your person, but they're coming back. King of Cups. Again, definitely there is love. They're coming back, Sagittarius. Sometimes you're also feeling stuck on them, thinking about them, and they're also thinking about you. Yeah, there is a lot of passion. They are very attracted to you. They're coming back. They're missing you. For sure, Two of Cups, soulmates. This is a mutual love. You both love each other. You both thinking about each other. So let's see your overall energy, Sagittarius, for the mid-month. The Sun, positive shifts are coming. For some children also involved in this connection. Lots of communication. 2 times Eight of Wands came in this reading. Definitely there is lots of communication is coming. King of Swords. And you stand by your power. You are no more dependent on anyone. You are guarded up right now. Because you are focusing on yourself only. You are okay if they... Even though you are feeling stuck, you are okay now with or without them. So let's see your person overall energy. Sagittarius. Yeah, they're suffering. They're feeling alone without you. Five of Pentacles. They're heartbroken. And Four of Pentacles and King of Wands. Now maybe they realize their mistake. Maybe they have feelings for you but not expressing. And King of Wands. Maybe your person also very good looking and very attractive person. They're very heartbroken without you. So let's see some messages from your person and Sagittarius. These are the channel messages. Friendship, wow. I fantasize about you. I already told you they're dreaming about you and holding back. Mask. I realized my mistake. And reunion is coming. So for some, your person may be having a 4 of Pentacles card is there. So they have feelings for you but not showing. They're wearing mask. That's why they're holding back, but they're coming back because they're fantasizing. They realize their mistake and they want your friendship. For some, you both are good friends also. So reunion is coming. Definitely reconciliation is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. A time for healing. I already told you are undergoing some healing process. Definitely it is a time for healing for you especially. So do meditation and heal yourself completely. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.